Yeah, Dan Kennedy, Russell Brunson. I love them two dudes.
Yeah, Dan. I never got into Russell, but Dan, I always liked Dan. Dan was a funny writer, kind of good, no BS kind of guy. I've always
That's his newsletter, No BS
no BS
newsletter.
marketing newsletter. Yeah, so a lot of his stuff for sure. Um, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't really have like somebody I've modeled my business off of. I've kind of done my own thing stubbornly as I've progressed.
That's awesome. And what were some of the what broke you from 10 to 15 agents to past that? What was the main
Yeah.
thing you had to kind of get over? Was it just the scale, like on the social presence? Was that what took you?
If I can recall correctly, it's been so long. Um, I, it was it was a slog. It was a slow process for me because I was figuring it all out. Going back, I could accelerate this curve a lot faster, right? But
Yeah.
the big thing was I started my YouTube channel in 2014 and I put a couple of videos out there and then I stopped for like 8 or 9 months and then I started a little bit again. And then really I think the late teens, like after Trump was elected, I think the MLM insurance model really picked up a ton of steam. Family First Life came out. They were already around, but they just started recruiting like crazy. Symmetry as
Huge.
well.
Symmetry got big at that point because
Yeah.
mortgage protection,
And
housing
and that's
stuff.
the thing. The mortgage protection market got hot again. That's really what was, I think, the whole, and then people started getting in the final expense. I think that was a big thing too. But what I'm saying is there was definitely a trend because I was really the only person that was doing YouTube content in a serious way in like 2000, from 2014 to 2017. And but you can look at my graph on view counts and you can see this big exponential increase right about there. And I kind of feel like it was the MLMs that have really pushed so many people to be interested in the business that really got the overall interest that much more, right? So I think I just caught a nice trend of just general interest increasing, and I got lucky. I think it's a timing thing. Got lucky, been doing it for a little while, and it really picked up steam.
And I'm curious, how many agents does Duford Insurance Group have today?
Well, we've recruited over 3,500 for sure. The real question, though, is
Hey, if you want the full interview that I did with David Duford, learning how he grew his insurance agency to like hundreds of agents and how he's recruited 3,500 plus agents, what question he's about to ask in the full length interview, you can get that and 29 other incredible Summit speaker interviews completely for free by clicking the first link down below in the description or in the comments, depending on what platform you're on, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. So go down there, click the full link, and you'll go over to the Insurance Summit. You can register for free, get all these interviews for free, and make more money, more impact, more progress in the next 30 days than you have in the last year as an insurance agent. I'll see you over there.